Points allows for you to build presentations where your audience will see the results in real time. To begin building your presentation, open the TurningPoint software and sign into your accounts. Next, click on Start Now within PowerPoint Polling. This will now open up PowerPoints with the TurningPoint software enabled. You will now go ahead and open up an existing presentation or build one from scratch. When you are ready to insert an interactive slide, select the TurningPoint tab, select New, and then choose the question type that you would like to go ahead and ask. For example, we're going to select multiple choice. This will now insert a new slide within your presentation which will match your PowerPoint theme. Your next step is to enter the question, put in your possible answer choices, and then click outside the answer text box to format your graph. Adjust the font and layout of your slide just like you would within PowerPoints. The right-hand side allows you to customize even further. You can choose to hide results, assign point totals, and even mark correct answers. When you are all done building your entire presentation, select Save or Save As and save it just as you would like any other PowerPoint. When you are ready to run your presentation, open TurningPoint and sign into your accounts. If your audience is going to be using hardware clickers, be sure to plug in your receiver. If they're going to be using mobile devices, click on Enable Mobile Devices in the upper right-hand side, set your session ID, and then start the session. From here, you are now ready to go ahead and open up PowerPoint Polling. Once you click on Start Now, this will launch PowerPoint with the TurningPoint add-in. Select the TurningPoint ribbon and reset the session. Resetting the session will ensure that all of your slides are ready to pick up responses from the audience. Enter the presentation just like you normally would in slideshow mode. When you are in presentation mode, advance through the presentation just like normal, using your spacebar, enter key, arrows, or even wireless remote. When you arrive at a TurningPoint slide, polling will automatically open and the show bar will appear. When you are ready to close polling, simply advance through the presentation using that same spacebar, enter key, arrows, or your wireless remotes. Polling will close and the graph will display. Continue through the presentation until you are all done. Once finished, select the TurningPoint ribbon and the Save button. This will now save the session, which will be your results. TurningPoint provides you the ability to generate reports on both the group and individual level. To generate reports from your facilitated session, open TurningPoint and sign into your account. Next, select the Manage tab, and then left-click on your session file to highlight it. Now go ahead and click on the Reports button on the right-hand side. The first report that will be generated is a Results by Question report. The Results by Question report will give you an overview of how your entire group responded to every question within the presentation. To change to a different report type, use the drop-down in the upper right-hand side. Another popular report is Results by Participants. This particular report will allow you to see precisely how each individual responded to every question within the presentation. Feel free to choose from various report types and explore the other options.